All right, so to my surprise, I'm like, when I look that way, I see a bunch of white birds that are normally in that corner. I mean, why would these pelicans land exactly where the swans go to all the time? There must be like some kind of magnetic thing where these birds just land right there. But there's like 100 pelicans. As I put the, I zoomed in on them. I'm like, wait a minute, they got some long beaks with like a thing under that, like where they swallow the fish. So yeah, pelicans. I've never seen pelicans at Powderhorn. So yeah, so I got this monocular here, and I, connect the phone right over there, and just I'm playing around with it. You can zoom in, and then you zoom in with this, okay? But then I could also zoom with the phone. So I'm trying to figure this shit out. Anyhow, look. Are those pelicans or swans? Let's see. Swans. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Swans. Yeah. There's my guys. There's my swans. Okay, so you got the swans and you got the pelicans. And you got the Osprey up there. So I got everything right here. From this table, I could watch all the action. This is better than sitting at the house. And I'm catching. Wait a minute. Where the fuck's my fishing rod at? Holy shit. Oh, shit. Got another carp on here, I bet. Oh, shit. Ah. Okay. We got another fish. Hold on. Jesus. How do I get up here? Yep, I got a fish on here. Hold on. Let me take this bell off. All right. Okay, hold on. We got something. We sure do. Let's go back over here. Ah, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. What we got? What eats corn? Woo-hoo! It can't be the same one, the same size. I'm telling you, Jack. These are the fish they stocked in here. They stocked all kinds of fish in here back in August. This guy, they had to stock a bunch of these carp in here. This is my second carp. All right. See, this one's a little bit bigger, like 14 inches. Alrighty, I'm having a good time now.